Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will tell you how you can download and install Fintiba app. Just you have to open the Play Store and write the Fintiba on the search bar. Then you can see the rating of Fintiba. This is also a best app for blog account, but I am using the Expectrio. Expectrio also a good app, but if you want to use this one, you can use. But I told you I am using the Expectrio. So as just you have to click on open. After automatically installing process will be done, and just you have to click on open, then it will automatically open, and you can just allow it for the notification, and if you want to do not allow, open a block account. As you can see that here are multiple options are available. As I already told you, I am using the Expectrio. If you want to use the Expectrio, you can visit the IT expert Jazib channel, and the complete method is available there. Thanks for watching. Allah.